Okay, I'm on the passenger side and I'm gonna do a little bit of longer test. Hey, what's up, guys? I had to go to a auto hobby shop to get the impact gun. Uh, Still tough, so keep going back and forth with the impact gun and then the cheater bar. So at this time, I broke the axle nut loose and should be good to go. Next is I'll be taking the brake caliper off. The reason why I break this off first is because if I can't do it at home, then that means I don't want to take everything apart and leave this one last, and it leaves me stranded. So that's what I did first at home, and I was able to drive my car to a shop to get this bolt out. But this next time, this is next. Now the axle bolt is out. I'll be working removing the brake caliper assembly, disconnecting everything back here and hanging the caliper around here so it frees my rotor. Okay, take this off first. Pop it out, make sure you have a safety, and take off those two bolts on the back of the caliper. You might want to pry it with a screwdriver up, and just be careful, it's really heavy. Well, not really. Step is to take these torques out. Be careful not to drop this disc on your foot. Now this thing is out. I'm gonna have to bang this one a little bit. Should be easy. Okay, I put one bolt in there just in case, because I'm banging it with the hammer back here. I'm working it around it, so just in case. Well, I'm pretty sure it's gonna drop off. I took the back cover off, just more space, and took this ABS, so I cracked it this way first and working it out. So I'll just put it right here for now, and yeah. Hi guys, I was trying to do something new. I was trying to take these two out so I can just flip the thing down, and easy access for the 4 bolts, but this was being a pain in the butt. Cancel that plan, so I'm just taking everything out from the back. The bolt is stuck right there close to the axle, so I might take that bolt off the ball joint to put a new bolt in there. Other than that, I'm ready to take this off. Okay, while I was pounding the crap out of this, a thing fell off. Remember, this was stuck, so it popped off. But now, if you guys able to take this off, you could bend this down, and you'll have access to all the bolts back there. Have more space just by taking these two off. If nothing gets stuck, so still working on it. Alright guys, there's nothing easy. I was beating the crap out of this, working in circle, small step and everything. Ah man, hard work, but I'm lucky that I have to do this on a lift, for reals. Okay, so I cleaned everything, clean in there. uh, I'm trying to rush it because they're closing, so putting everything back together. Alright, it's pretty easy once everything is off, so I can just flip it like this, put the bolt, torque it down. Yeah. Alright, I am just tired. So, torque it down, plus 90 degrees. Everything is 90 degrees. And then putting everything back together. Alright, got this one torqued down, torquing the dust plate, putting in my rotor, securing with the torques, putting the brakes, the caliper, torque everything down, and deuces. There you have it. Last thing is I'm gonna torque this when everything is on the ground. I'm about to do a test drive and we'll see. Okay, so this is the test drive. I'm just gonna put the camera down by the passenger side, and we'll go ahead and drive around. It's gone, so especially when slowing down, I don't hear it. That's all, folks. venting, it was pretty smooth. So I call that as that's a fix.